Welcome to Makerbot Learning Tips. Today we're going to look at how to lay out files in Makerbot Desktop. For every STL and OBJ file you bring in, you need to consider how it's rotated so that it's touching the build plate and where you position it on the build plate. Here are some general guidelines to follow. Try to place the largest flat surface of your file on the build plate. If your file doesn't have a flat surface, consider using the section with the most surface area. Position your files near the center. This is the most level part of your build plate. Changing the rotation and positioning of your files may affect how your models are built, so feel free to experiment. Now that we have laid out our files, in our next video we will look at the print settings in Makerbot Desktop.